Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a plane I built to test out slow FPV flying and teach myself how to do better. It's a twin motor plane inspired by the FT slow stick design. You can see it's got two motors, a Walksnail Moonlight kit up front for FPV, and the wings and tail are made of foamboard covered in packing tape. And other than that, it's just all the 3D printed parts and electronics mounted on a carbon arrow shaft. So that's all that's to it. Alright, so first let's talk about the design. This is designed, the design is based on the FT slow stick, but I wanted to do FPV and wanted to get the motor out of the footage, so I decided to go with a twin motor setup. These are iFlight Zing 2 1404 at 4600 kV motors with a 3.5 inch prop. They have plenty of power, and this is a Spektrum receiver, 235 milliamp ESCs, which is way too big, but that's all I had laying around. I was flying it mostly with a 850 milliamp hour 3S battery and two 5-gram servos. All the rest of this is 3D printed. I customized the designs of the FT slow stick 3D printed parts, changed quite a bit. That's about it for the electronics and hardware. Oh, this has differential thrust too, by the way. So when you want to turn to the right, the left motor speeds up. I'll show you that now. All right. So here I'm trying to turn left, and you can see the right motor speeds up. If you go straight, you just use throttle, they both spin. Yeah, you know, differential thrust, like it's supposed to work. That's really about it. Let's see it fly. All right, wow, it has no problem with thrust. This is actually, it's gonna be fun when I trim it up. It's not trimmed up. It does handle the weight good. Might be a little tail heavy, but nothing I can't deal with. Quiet, relatively. The differential thrust is amazing. You can really get the thing to turn fast. Uh-oh. Okay, I did a loop accidentally. I mean to do all kinds of elevator control to keep this thing straight. It really needs to be trimmed. Okay, this thing's fun. I need down thrust on the motors actually. Well, it works, and it works pretty good.